You may call me Miss Introvert, and here on this channel we write, we edit, we learn, and we grow, and I'm growing right along with you guys because we're really all in the same boat, and I have reached a growing milestone, if you will, because I am self-publishing a book this fall. I have a release date for you that I am going to reveal in this video when I feel like it. I am still trying as hard as I can to hold on to this secret because it's so juicy. And we're also going to do a cover reveal on this video as well. If you want to see a shorter version of that, it's all up on my TikTok right now. You can go watch a TikTok and see the cover reveal, the release date, it's all there. TikTok obviously is much quicker, and if you have a short attention span like me, then you should go over there right now. But my book, Before Red Fire, A Sorcerer Falls, is coming out on October 30th, 2023. This year. Literally next month. Oh my frick. It'll be out on Amazon.com and it'll be available on Kindle, so it'll be an ebook version. I am still working on paperback stuff. There may or may not be a paperback, but this is the ebook release date, so you can still have it from the comfort of your phone, your tablet, computer, wherever you read your books. That is not paper. And here is the cover. I made it myself on Canva. If you like, I can show you how I made it in a separate video. Leave comments down below. There's plenty of other videos to watch. I watched a bunch of videos on YouTube and I will link them down below for you. If you want a Miss Introvert take on using Canva to make book covers, comment down below, but I will have other videos linked that will show you how to do that. Because I'm guessing all of you are aspiring authors. This is a channel for beginning writers, so why not get a head start and learn how to make a cover? I'm using Amazon KDP to publish, so that's gonna be fun. I've done a lot of research. It's been a long summer. I don't know. This book has been edited, it's gone through beta readers, it's gone through ARC readers, and I appreciate all of you guys so much. And all of my ARC readers are going to be getting a free copy, so if you want to read it and get a free copy, there is a Google form down below to sign up to be an ARC reader, and we'll be in touch, and I will send you ready for print manuscript, so it's going to look like it will look in the ebook version. So if you'd like to be an ARC reader and read it all the way through, it's 500 pages long. If you are a book lover, if you are a dark fantasy lover, if you like Lord of the Rings / Brandon Sanderson / Dragonlance books, then comment down below. There's so much lore, so much history, and I'm so tired of rereading it for myself, and I would love some new audience eyes on it. I can't wait to show this to you guys, and it'll be available for purchase. I'll probably have one of those free weeks for you guys as well, just to get some sales out there and to give a gift to all of my subscribers, all of my followers, because I appreciate you guys so much, and I really just want this book to be read. It's been about 10 years in the making. It's such a long book, and it has such a personal meaning for me. The characters are inspired by things that I've gone through. They're inspired by stories that I love, video games that I love, and it is the first book of 3. So there are 3 more books coming out. Both of them are going to be just as long, so it's going to be a nice chunky series. Wow. And if you're new to Before Red Fire and you don't know what it's about, Before Red Fire, A Sorcerer Falls is my debut dark fantasy novel. It's about an evil magic that has been foretold by dragons and rangers, and it is coming to fruition through the eyes of 3 main characters: a reptin, or dragon shifter, a knight, and a ranger. All of these main characters are female. But cities have started disappearing, the kingdom of the Ten is corrupt, and a dragon has gone feral in the skies. And if the blade prophesied in the ancient texts isn't drawn and wielded by a worthy hand to defeat the sorcerers with its baneful blow, the world will end in fire, and sky-dwelling sorcerers will rain flames from the sky. So our 3 protagonists' fates collide in this epic tale. Again, I would compare it to a Lord of the Rings-ish book. It's not as amazing as J.R. Tolkien's by any means, but it's inspired by the fact that there are different races, a huge world to play around with, lots of lore, lots of ancient history, lots of stuff that I could easily make spin-off series about. There's also drastic odds for underdog characters. I would also compare it to some of Brandon Sanderson's work, like Way of Kings, with the character jumping, the magic system, and the very lengthy page count. Lastly, I would compare it to Dragonlance. It's got a band of characters coming together to reach not only their individual goals, but they come together and reach the collective goal. And they learn how to fight together. They learn to overcome their weaknesses, they learn to grow in their leadership skills, and they learn actual human empathy for each other, because some of them come from a past harder than rock. But I really hope that it's something that fantasy lovers like myself enjoy. I am always looking for new fantasy books, fantasy video games, fantasy movies, and there are just so many that I watched throughout my childhood, and I just love it so much when I get to relive that wonder of seeing a Narnia-like world come to life before my eyes, or when this beautiful poetic weaving of words just makes my skin like have goosebumps. It's such an amazing feeling. So I hope it gives you that feeling. Maybe, I mean, it's my first book, so hopefully it gives you some kind of feeling. I'm hoping that this first release is the introduction to a whole list of more releases, because I have so many other ideas. If you subscribe to my newsletter, you've seen my short stories that I want to turn into full-length novels, and if I could, I would make them into movies. But remember, October 30th, it's the release date, so mark your calendars, tell your author friends. If you're not a fantasy lover and you know a fantasy lover, get a hold of them, send them this video, and I have another video that actually explains more about Before Red Fire right there, and you can check it out. You can send it to them because you're an amazing friend. And once you finish it, or your friend finishes it, you can look forward to the second book, which is coming out sometime soon after. I am going into grad school soon, so we will see. This has been a dream that I have wanted so badly to mark off my bucket list, so I am so grateful that I get to do it with all of you guys, and I hope that we have an awesome release date together. Let me know in the comments if you are planning on self-publishing as well, or planning on a release date. I would love to celebrate with you as well. Let me know when it is, and I will be in touch. I will tune in, especially if it's a fantasy release. I love those. So yeah, hit me up, comment down below, and like this video if you're excited about the book, and why not subscribe if you want to get more writing tips and tricks from me. Subscribe to my newsletter, and with that, stay basic. Okay, bye!